Senator, sorry, another topic lang. Bucor and Senator Lacson disclosed that almost 2,000 convicts were sentenced for committing heinous crimes were recently released due to the GCTA mechanism. How does the palace respond?
Well, if they were qualified, then
heinous
they should follow
crimes.
the law.
Heinous crimes.
Heinous crime. Then that cannot be done because the law is very clear. Republic 10592 is very clear that those charged and convicted of heinous crimes, escapees, habitual delinquents, and recidivists are not covered by the law.
So, paano?
Already. Obviously, dapat makabalik sila sa kulungan.
But-
until they serve the full term of their service.
And 48 of them are drug lords, including Chinese drug lords.
Basta the president, at the inception of his career as a public official, his slogan was and is until now, what the law is, just follow it.
Sir, but the law also specifically stated that the grant of GCTA cannot be revoked. It's very clear in the law. How do you now address
When
this?
you say it cannot be revoked, it assumes that the grantee are qualified. If they are not qualified, how can you apply that provision?